So in the make it easy, third law of habits, make it easy. There are four subtopics what we discussed, right? Okay. Walk slowly, but never backward. Walk slowly, but never backward. Progress. Consistency matters a lot. Array, how much action you are taking? 2 minutes also. 2 minutes also, no problem at all. Just 2 minutes also, no problem at all. Walk slowly, but consistently. That is the secret for the success. Remember this one. That's the secret. Consistently, you require to do that. Automatically, at certain day, success by default will be there with you. Okay, walk slowly, but never backward. Okay, remember that. Next, the law of least effort. Okay, with the small effort, big results by default we are going to get. Yes, Toyota people always going to use only one for this task, for any task, with the least effort, with the maximum output, how we can design our tasks. Well, for every task, their target is only two things. They have to keep least effort. Okay, this task can be done in this way, in this way where least effort is required. Okay, next up, big results we are going to get. Such type of activities we require to choose. Okay, least effort, big results. Least effort, big results or highest results. Okay, so that part I explain with examples. Next, there is let me go for so let me explain these things so that you will get much clarity for you people. Okay, walk slowly but never backward. Walk slowly but never backward. I told right. Okay, just simple example. Ananya, she is very weak in mathematics. Okay, she decided every day I will do two mathematical problems. I will solve two mathematical problems. Like every day, how many problems she decided to solve? Only two problems. Only two problems. At least two problems I want to choose. I want to solve. Then what happened is today two problems, tomorrow two problems, day after tomorrow two problems. Then automatically at certain point, she is feeling that mathematics will become easy. She loves mathematics. Okay, remember, sir, with a huge effort, with a huge random effort, only one time effort, success never comes in our life. The small actions consistently, if you are doing, then only success by default will be there. Remember that. Then only by default success will be there. Okay, like that. That's why walk slowly but never backward. Okay, that is one important thing. Of course, Ananya's example, right? Next, there is another example. There is another rule. I mean, the next, the law of least effort. The law of least effort make success feel effortless. Make success feel effortless. What is the meaning? Let me give for one example, right? Okay, like so, Ananya, of course, our student, she want to wake up a bit early. Observe that. She want to wake up because she want to wake up a bit early. 5 o'clock only I want to wake up. Then she kept alarm in the phone and then sleeping. Yet 5 o'clock alarm got ringed. Alarm got ringed. Most of the people what they are going to do? Respond, friends. You set alarm multiple times in the phone. But what you did? Once alarm is going to ring, ayyo. Yes, Ashwin. Ramprasad, what you are going to do?
Stop and sleep, sir.
Stop on sleep or otherwise snoozing. Snoozing for 5 minutes, snoozing for 10 minutes. Like most of the people are going to do that. Okay. So because of snoozing, I snoozed that or I stopped just 5 minutes I will sleep like at 5 o'clock you snoozed and then or you stopped and then slept. Suddenly you woke up and you saw the time. Morning 9 o'clock. Too worst. Morning 9 o'clock. Too worst. Even by keeping alarm, there is no use at all. What you will do, what Ananya did is, she kept this alarm, she kept this phone on the table, a bit far a bit far on the table. Then alarm start ringing. Then your sleeping got disturbance. You won't get sleep while ringing the alarm. Compulsory you have to get up and then move automatically. Automatically you will get momentum, okay, to wake up. Okay, you want to go back to the sleep. A small thing, a small activity providing big results. Just keep alarm a bit far. That's all. Automatic wake up by default is going to be happen. So there are some activities are there with the least effort, big results. Identify such type of things. Habitizing new activity also, new habit also. Small efforts only we can do. Identify such type of small efforts to adapt to that new habit. Okay, remember that. Yes, sir. This example I hope you know right. Next, the third wonderful, sir, wonderful thing. 2-minute rule. 2-minute rule. 2-minute rule. How to stop procrastination? Okay, by using 2-minute rule. Okay, start now, not later. Start now, not later. Okay, wonderful concept what we discussed, sir. For any activity, okay, start only 2 minutes. Spend only 2 minutes. So most of the activities, most of our dreams, most of our goals, most of our planned activities are not completed because of simple reason you didn't started those. N number of things are there in your mind. Several things are there in your mind. Okay, that activity I want to do. This activity I want to do. That activity I have to do that. Like n number of goals, n number of activity list is there in your mind. But those activities never going to be completed or not completed just because only one reason. What is that reason is you didn't start. If you started, if you are starting, means half of the win already completed. Half of the win already completed. If you are not started, means win never be there. So that's why just for any activity, sir, I'm not telling to complete that activity. Just spend 2 minutes on that activity. Just spend 2 minutes on that activity. Automatically, success by default will be there because starting trouble is the bigger problem for most of the people. Remember this a bit carefully. That's why any activity is there. Sir, I want to learn driving. If any person having, start today only. Just for 2 minutes. Just for 2 minutes. Visit any driving school. Just inquiry about that. Next time after that, if you just visit, tomorrow also I want to come, I will talk. Day after tomorrow, 2 days or 3 days if you visit there, then automatically will get the momentum. Okay, so pay for 1 month. Pay for 1 month. Then, so just first start. Forget about whether you are going to complete or not. That's not your goal. First thing, let me start first. Second thing, that least effort whatever I'm taking, 2 minutes or 3 minutes, persistently can you please do that? At certain point, what will happen? Believe me, definitely you are going to complete that activity. So this 2 minutes rule, wonderful concept. Okay, make it easy your new habit. Okay, you never going to tell yes I can't do because I'm not having the time and so on. 2 minutes only. I'm asking only 2 minutes only. Okay, like sir, I want to learn AI. Oh, multiple days onwards you are thinking about AI. Multiple days onwards I want to learn AI. AI is the booming. I want to learn. Oh, how many days onwards you are thinking, sir? Do you know what will happen here? So in the next year also you will think the same. Okay, at the time whenever you want to start learning, by that time AI boom also by default will be gone. There are several things happen in our life like that only. Okay, there are several things happen in our life like that only. So that's why don't wait. Only 2 minutes. Better to start. Array, today I want to listen 2 shorts on AI. Each short, YouTube short, matter of 1 minute. Or 2 Instagram reels. I want to listen about AI. Array, 2 Instagram reels, only for 2 minutes only. Once you are going to start, then automatically that activity by default is going to be completed. 2 minutes rule. Wonderful rule, sir. So just what she did is what one example, Ananya example only, best example. Ananya always want to read. She's always thinking, I want to read, but she never going to open the book. So do you know, best example for you people? Usually, Sankranti or some Dasara, like I will go to my native place. Okay, from here, I will visit my native place. While going to native place, I will take the laptop bag also. My mother is going to ask, Are, why you are bringing a laptop? Ma, I want to prepare some subjects like. I want to prepare some subject, new subject I'm going to handle, I require to prepare like. So I will go to the house, my native place. Almost 5 days or 6 days I will be there. And then I will come to Hyderabad. So in Hyderabad, before starting my journey, in which bag I kept the laptop, at least that chip also not going to open. This is happened not one time, multiple times in my life. Believe me, multiple times in my life. This is happened. Of course, for you people also, same, right?
Yes, sir.
Multiple times. This type of thing is going to be happen. You know, array, exam, if I go to the college, then preparation time may not enough. That's why I don't want to go for college. Today, preparation I want to do in the house. But we never going to open the book. Okay. So Ananya also always want to read, but she never going to open the book. That's why what she did is she kept a 2-minute rule. After completing lunch or after completing breakfast, every day 2 minutes compulsory. I want to read. I want to open the book. Open the book for 2 minutes. That's all. And 2 minutes is very easy. But believe me, if you start for 2 minutes, you're never going to end in 2 minutes. For most of the people, the biggest problem is starting trouble. Suppose here, do you know, there is a self down, battery self down, vehicles, battery self down. We have to push, okay, push the vehicle, bus or car, something like that. Once the bus started, we are not required to push. Automatically the bus is going to because battery is going to be charged. Happily it's going to run. That push must be required. That push itself is nothing but 2 minutes rule. Remember, just 2 minutes I want to do this. Just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, don't continue. I only 2 minutes, right? Why I got to neglect? Better to do that. If any activity is going to complete in 2 minutes, don't postpone. Next time. Any activity, if you are keep on postponing, better to do in 2 minutes. 2 minutes rule is a wonderful thing for you people. I hope everyone got it right. I explained very clearly what the 2-minute rule. So instead of waiting, so just spend 2 minutes. Starting automatically creates momentum at certain point. Remember, okay? So that's a 2-minute rule. Really, it's a wonderful thing, right? Next up, how to make good habits inevitable and bad habits impossible. Inevitable, compulsory. I require to do that. Compulsory, I require to do that. Okay, like how we can build. Yes, in the yesterday session I explained. I hope you people may remember, right? Okay, like keep healthy food visible. So that definitely you are going to take scheduled workouts in calendar, automate saving money. Have you remembered? Best example. Okay, array, I want to save the money. Automate it. Don't with motivation every day I want to do that. No, better to automate every day by default from my account or every month by default from my account. So first 10,000 rupees or otherwise some 10% will be transferred auto debit to the some SIP mutual funds like. Automate your savings. So automation beats motivation. I'm very strong motivated person, strong willpower, strong self-control. All these nonsense. Nonsense. Automate the things. Maintain consistency. Those things are more important than all these. Okay. Next, suppose if you feel that, if you feel that, I just usually I have this bad habit. Even in the yesterday session also I told. Night time while sleeping, I will take my mobile and then I will play some game. Okay, I will play some game. Sometimes what will happen is until 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock also, I keep on playing the game. My sleeping routine got disturbed. Okay, what I did is simple. Bad habit. Make it impossible to do. What I can do is, what I did is uninstall that app from my mobile and keeping the mobile a bit far while sleeping. So then is there any way to do that bad habit? No. Bad habit will become impossible. Remember this one. Bad habit will become so impossible to do. Because that environment by default I cut it. Okay, I uninstalled that app, kept that my mobile a bit far before sleeping. That's all. Ananya case. Observe that. She want to read. While reading, she's carrying the phone. For every 5 minutes or 10 minutes, open the phone and then checking any message is coming or checking any social media post is uploaded. Something like she's always getting distraction. What she did is fighting with that phone is waste. Before open the book, keep the mobile in some other room. A simple rule so that she never going to see the phone while studying. Okay, remember. So while taking the session, my mobile should not be there on the desk. It is there in the rack somewhere. Once my class completed, then only I will take the phone. How beautiful it is. Where is the question of distraction? No such a type of terminology. Okay, that's why any habit, make it visible if you want. If any bad habit, if you want to avoid, make it invisible. Next, make it automation. That thing is matters a lot. Automate the things. Which thing should be completed, should be done automatically. Don't depend on bleeding. Okay, motivation, self-control, these kind of things. Automate, which is always going to work 365 days, 24/7. Okay, next, if this thing bad habit, it's impossible to do that. Like that, we require to plan. Block notifications, delete apps. Next, remove triggers. Remove any such type of triggers like. Okay, build a system, design a system. Okay.